the floating continent of trash, uncovering the Great Pacific Garbage Patch. Deep in the vast North Pacific Ocean, halfway between Hawaii and California, a massive accumulation of human-made debris swirls endlessly, trapped by ocean currents. This is the Great Pacific Garbage Patch, often, disturbingly called a floating continent of trash, or the Pacific Trash Vortex, a stark reminder of our modern society's impact on the marine environment. While not a solid island, it's more a soupy mix of larger items and countless tiny plastic particles. The scale is staggering. The patch is within the North Pacific subtropical gyre, a slow-moving vortex that traps debris. Other ocean gyres also accumulate plastic pollution, but the Great Pacific Garbage Patch is the largest. Its discovery, gaining significant public attention, is often credited to oceanographer Captain Charles Moore in 1997. Sailing from Hawaii to California, Moore diverted from usual shipping lanes and navigated through an enormous expanse of floating plastic debris for days. He vividly described it as a plastic soup. Though scientists had predicted plastic accumulation in ocean gyres decades earlier, Moore's accounts brought widespread awareness to this growing environmental disaster. The Great Pacific Garbage Patch primarily consists of plastics because they are not biodegradable. Instead, they break down into smaller microplastics in the ocean due to sunlight and wave action. These microplastics are incredibly pervasive. They are ingested by marine life, from tiny plankton to large whales, mistaking them for food. This introduces toxins into the food chain, potentially impacting human health as we consume seafood. Larger plastic items, like ghost nets, discarded fishing nets, bottles, and bags, also pose significant threats, entangling marine animals like sea turtles, seals, and seabirds, leading to injury or death. Estimating the exact size is difficult. It's a diffuse area with constantly shifting boundaries, and much of the plastic waste is suspended beneath the surface. However, studies suggest it could be hundreds of thousands, even millions, of square kilometers, potentially larger than Texas. Efforts for ocean cleanup are underway, spearheaded by organizations deploying large-scale systems to collect plastic. However, the sheer scale, the ocean's vastness, and the continuous influx of new plastic waste make cleanup an immense challenge. The ultimate solution to this marine debris problem lies in preventing more plastic from entering our oceans. By reducing plastic consumption, improving waste management, and developing biodegradable alternatives. The story of this trash vortex is a critical call for global ocean conservation. What steps can we take to reduce ocean plastic pollution? Share your thoughts. Follow for more environmental insights.